GitHub Copilot Code Review has gotten even better with the introduction of medium-depth reviews now in public preview. These reviews route pull requests to a higher reasoning model for longer analysis of complex logic, security-sensitive code, and cross-service changes. So this is perfect for the repositories and services that you rely on the most and that require the most thorough review. To enable this feature, go to the Settings panel of your repository. Select Copilot, go to Code Review, and select Medium. Organization admins can also set the default review level for code reviews for all repositories that have not selected their own effort level. Let's keep this on low for now. This is an important repository for my service, so I want to enable medium-depth reviews for this repo. Now, when I request a code review, GitHub Copilot will analyze the pull request using a latest frontier model, providing more in-depth feedback and catching subtle issues that might be missed. And just to note, Medium generally consumes more AI credits than Low, which enables it to provide a more in-depth analysis of your code. In this case, I had an accounting error because in my integer math, I should have multiplied before dividing in my order of operations in order to avoid the budget showing up as 0% used until it had 100%. We are already seeing improved common address rates with a resolution rate of over 70% of findings. Medium-depth reviews in GitHub Copilot Code Review are available in public preview now.